I'm Marcus Schneider, that's the Mexican. You're watching Schneider Classics, and this is a familiar sight. I was too eager to work before I turned on the camera. Already took off the front ride cradle. We're over at the Mexican shop, as the last video trailering it and getting it all here shows. We're about to pull this fucker out again. Yeah. But we gotta get her to a point where she works.
We gotta pull motor up, fix motor, and put motor back in.
Put a different motor in. Undo the engine mount, undo the transmission mount. I don't know. What do you think? Is it easier just to unbolt the transmission and leave the transmission in place?
No. Because then you gotta go all the way around, unbolt everything all the way around.
Yeah.
And then you gotta support the transmission.
Well, the transmission is supported because it's on its own mounts.
No, the front is dangly. Because it's hitting, because it's up against the engine.
It wouldn't be because it's got its mounts right there, right beside the engine. So these engine mounts are out. As you can see, lots have been taken off of the motor already. He's just getting the last thing on the exhaust. So I wonder who designed this. We have to jack up that side, undo the front cap bolts, jack up both sides just to pull off this transmission top cover place, because we can't pull the transmission and engine out with it on. So, which we have to disconnect that to pull the transmission out. I wonder who engineered this. It's not like this is a mismatch of multiple trucks. What? No idea.
Worse than the Civic.
Oh. Getting her out. Next step should actually be the engine pull.
Been numbered too long since your irreplaceable heart has gone. I can't shut my eyes before dawn. A life without you has been hard enough, and still I am forced to move on. Another step closer to the great beyond. I don't know who I have become now that the sorrow has made me numb.
Your buddy's head gasket sucks.
So this 305 has coolant. This thing's got coolant everywhere. Head gaskets were blown. This is that. Oh, it has coolant. Starts to drip there. I should grab a bolt. Stop it. Stop it. See? Thank you. Stop it. Get the bucket of hateness.
The bucket of vomit juice. Drink it and you sure.
Yeah, don't drink. Stripping them down the block is the block shot.
Shit luck when you get shit motors.
Yeah.
If you don't know nothing about it, 50-50 chance. Got a 17 now already.
Oh.
There's no oil left.
That's fuel. That's fucking fuel. That's where the gas smell all day's been. Because that was a layer of fuel.
There's no oil in it.
There is no oil in
That's
it.
oil.
That's oil.
No. Oh, now we're getting to oil.
Yeah. It was fuel first.
Fuel, then coolant, then
oil.
Yeah. God damn. We bought a fucked motor. Well, so did I, so I can't say I didn't. It's just, this is bad. Mine wasn't even this bad. Your rings are shot. Oh, probably. That motor is shot.
Well, that's laying fuel by.
That means those 6 of those spark plugs, or 2 of those spark plugs are fucked.
No, the spark plugs won't be fucked.
Spark plug wouldn't burn the fuel.
Yeah, they're not fucked.
A bad spark plug wouldn't let the fuel burn.
It was running just fine.
Okay. It can sound just fine, still not fuel.
So, because the motor's shot anyways, we decide, why not? Like, we gotta wait till tomorrow to do whatever, so let's just tear this thing right down. Let's see how bad it can get.
Nice, great job. Now we're gonna break open a tomb of Cleopatra or some shit. Some old emotive curse is gonna come up.
RTV'd a screw head to it?
Oh yeah, look at
Yeah,
that.
it needs a washing. Yeah.
That's still usable, but it's complete sludge. Look how clogged this shit is.
Yeah, it needs a soak.
This whole thing.
Brake clean.
No, we're not.
Right, that's how they do it? So this is a screw head with RTV on the back? Fuck.
My world only gets darker. Do anything to make sure that I never forget you. I'd give anything just to have one more dream about you. Like it or not, your soul is a part of me. Every move I make pulled by your gravity. From your last breath I know that a piece of me died. Now I'm desperate to keep any memory alive.
I got fuckered. So I spent $400 on this motor. There are grooves on this. I bought it last year. I ran it a couple times, then it stopped running. Well,
It don't work no more.
it's got mismatch. It's got groovings. Pistons are fairly fucked. You see this brown sludge all over the place. Had no head gaskets. Right there, you probably see there's some very prominent scarring. I spent $400 for nothing. It's all in the toilet. It's all gone. No more money.
Scrap value is probably like $50 off of this,
Yeah.
off of this whole fucking thing.
Yeah, probably get like for everything. Yeah, probably for everything $50 worth of scrap. So I'm out $400 on this. Well, lesson learned. Lesson learned. I don't need to buy no more fucking
Blown up engines.
blown up motors. I'll just go get something from the junkyard and rebuild it myself.
Or buy them, but like, I want pictures and fucking video of this thing working good.
Yeah, well, I got fuckered on this deal. Well, I'm not good at getting good motors. Other than that, LS. LS is the only good motor I've bought so far.
I think I lost a friendship out of that deal, but
Got a good motor, lost a friend. That sucks. I'm good at wheeling and dealing on anything else except for apparently motors. I can't have any luck with motors.
Who knows? Maybe I'm no better. We gotta wait till tomorrow till that 350 small block comes in.
She's apart. She's junk. Blocks.
No.
No, says the Mexican. The block needs to be honed if it's ever going to be used again and machined. So, put in the comments of what we should do with this block, because it's a block. We could hone it out. We can make a 383 stroker with this 305.
We could put a 1 ounce slug through it.
No.
Why not?
I'm suggesting ideas of maybe making it live.
You can live on as a target for a 30-30 or a 1 ounce slug. That's only if we don't have any other options to do the other.
Yeah. Let's see what our other options are first.
Yeah, that'd be more fun.
Yeah. So leave it in the comments what we should do with this motor. What do you think we should do? Because it's not going back in there. It's a block. All this is junk. $400 for perfectly good paperweight. If you want to give me $500 for it, I'll sell it to you.
Boat anchor.
Oh, poor thing.
I got an idea.
So rough, so scratched. Like this one, you can feel it. I can't really show it very well, but whatever.
Here, I got a mic.
Corrosion.
Right here.
Yeah.
Right here. There's a groove.
Yeah. So just have to take out the cam. It's gotta take all the bolts out, soak it. The block would need to be honed. It need other things. It would need a heater coil for the fucking bolts here. Healy coil for one of these water pump bolts because it was tripped.
Well, here.
Oh yeah. I love it when the water pump bolt just goes whoop. It's in. We're not counting about tightness here. Not yeah.
Well, I know what we could do.
What?
You could buy another box of it and put tannerite pistons.
No! Let's think about maybe
making a
livable motor first.
Not making a 1 foot crater in the earth.
Yeah. So let us know, because this thing is sit here until after this is done. Once this is done, then I'll start figuring
out what we want to do with this. If we want to make a 383 stroker or a high performance.
Realistically, I kind of want to make a 383 stroker because it'd be fun.
Well, if you want a good racing motor, go a 355 with 12-to-1 compression. Yeah. With regular stroke. That would be a decent built motor. So comment in the comment in the comments below what we should do with this 1987 305 block that needs to be honed and needs to be machined. So, the endless possibilities. The possibilities are endless.
Yeah. So that's the Mexican. I'm Marcus Schneider. I'm dead tired, and this is the end of this video.